September. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. It's been a long time since I've vlogged. My last vlog was in September. So we are bringing the vlogs back with Vlogmas. Today I'm at Molly's house with Mew. Mew, say hi. Mew. He's so cute. Look at him. He's so cuddly. You want your breakfast? You want breakfast? No? He does want his food. That's for dinner. Anyways, I'm gonna feed Mew and then I'm going to suwon today. How exciting. I've only ever really been suwon once. What are you saying? Yeah, I agree. But yeah, I'm gonna go down to suwon. We're gonna go to the fortress. I'm gonna eat lunch and yeah, who knows what we'll do. We're thinking Starfield is a little bit far away, so maybe that'll be another day. It's gonna take me like an hour and a bit to get down from here. Mew, you wanna say bye for the intro? And happy Vlogmas? Yeah. Okay, sure. That's so cool, right? It's December! Okay. This is ice. Oh, I see. Oh my god, it actually is ice. It's not snow anymore. Poor car. How are you gonna get out? This is so pretty.
All these.
Yeah.
Oh, the Christmas trees.
Yeah. Let's enter in. So cute. 투명? 있어? 나와서 큰 거 안 해봤어. 아 그래? Wow, so Christmas. 나 이거 찍어봤어. 남산타워에서 찍어봤어. 아 이거? 남산에도 있어? 어. I'm gonna get closer. Oh my god, here I blinked. Should I buy your ears? 그 줄기 너무 좋아. 귀엽다. 귀엽다. So cute. Our photo next to a drunken bear. 취한 곰. 집에 가세요. 여기서 이렇게 안 돼요. 아저씨. 너무 잘 만드는 눈사람? 아니 얼음 사람? 얼음 사람. Look at the nose. It's a good nose. 재밌다. That's cute.
Hi.
이렇게 do the voiceover.
Hi, this is the 묵은지 말이, 지퍼 산철덮밥, and the 차돌박이 들기름.
Okay.
좀 고소해. 그렇지 않아요?
Thank you.
It looks so nice.
Let's try it together. The egg is very eggy.
Yeah.
The egg is eggy.
맛있네.
I found it. 뭐라고? okay라고?
Yeah, I feel good.
Okay. Don't appreciate my 맛집. 간장키?
굉장히 특이야. 왜 이?
Alright. 이분하게?
성형태가 입김이 아주 타이트해. 왜냐면 I can see.
안전쟁이지.
You see that?
Of course, I watched it. 나 너무 재밌게 봤어. You didn't finish it? 너무 재밌던데?
호주에서 잠깐 보고.
너 쌀이라 맛. You're welcome. You're welcome. But you could have been at home making kimjang. 김장도 재밌을 것 같은데?
Yeah, for the first hour.
Ranking.
소주.
나도.
I guess you all 비슷다. Right.
이거 싱가포르에서 못 먹.
Yeah, right.
But you have 커피야. 이거 커피하랑 비슷한데?
오. 정말 잘하네.
그래? 커피가 더 맛있는데? Yeah. Cohen said her favorite, best strawberry cake in Korea. What about churros?
I think we must eat the churros first. churros 먼저 먹어야 될 것 같아. 시키기 전에.
Hey, she can eat whatever she wants. 맛있어요? 너무 맛있어요?
This is so good.
기다려. 아직 안 먹어봤는데 왜 맛있어요? 나는 케이크부터 먹을게요.
딸기가 없는데.
맞아.
딸기가 없는데 무슨 딸기 케이크라고.
알겠어. 어떡해. 너무 좋아. Okay, I'm gonna try the best strawberry cake according to Cohen. It to be good.
어떻게 먹어야
No, just it's yeah. Thoughts? Like? Looks nice. We've decided to come to Starfield.
하던데 다들 시험 공부하기 싫은데.
게임이야? 안 해봤는 것 같은데? You're 27 and you're still going?
Why not?
We found the Starfield. It's so nice. We're sitting on chairs in a store and Cohen just said, I don't feel anything, it's just a chair. 지죽이다. Came up to the top. This is so cute. What the heck? That's so cute. That's so cute. We came to eat chicken. Got chicken feet and gizzard. And the bar snacks. I'm so hungry. Everything came out finally. Maybe it's the time, 7 o'clock. Nice. What's your favorite type of chicken?
I like fried the best.
누구? 난 간장.